Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. I hope all of you in good condition at home. Amen. Okay, before we go on the lesson, I want to introduce myself to all of you. Well, my full name is Ahmad Khairul Mizan, but you can call me Mr. Mizan. I am your English teacher, and my hobby is cycling. Thank you. The lesson today is talking about introduction. What is introduction in Indonesian? Introduction means perkenalan. Pernah nggak kita ada di lingkungan baru yang belum pernah kita kenal sebelumnya? Misalnya berada di kelas, di sekolah baru, maupun di lingkungan kerja baru. Apa sih kira-kira yang harus kita lakukan? Hal ini tentunya kita harus menjalin komunikasi dengan orang lain yang berada di sekitar kita yang belum dikenal sebelumnya. Salah satu yang harus kita lakukan dalam menjalin hubungan tersebut yaitu dengan cara memperkenalkan diri agar komunikasi bisa terjalin satu sama lainnya. Ungkapan apa yang bisa digunakan untuk memperkenalkan diri dalam bahasa Inggris? Yaitu dengan cara hello, my name is. There are two kinds of introduction. The first, introducing myself, and then introducing another people. Introducing myself means perkenalan diri. Jadi you can use informal introduction. Formal introduction, for example, good morning, my name is blah blah blah. Please allow me introduce myself. I am blah blah blah. May introduce myself. I am blah blah blah. How do you do? My name is blah blah blah. I am Devi, or my name Devi. Let me introduce myself. Hey, I am Baskoro. Hello, my name is Baskoro. Good evening, my name is Baskoro. May I introduce myself? I am Baskoro. Let me introduce myself. My name is Baskoro. And then formal or respond introduction. Good morning. How do you do? How do you do? Nice to meet you. Oh, hello. Nice to meet you. I am blah blah blah. My name is. He or hello, Mr. blah blah blah. He, I am Renata, glad to meet you. Hello, my name is Renata. Pleased to meet you. Good evening, I am Renata. How do you do? How do you do? My name is Rena. Nice to meet you. Ungkapan how do you do itu digunakan untuk menanyakan kabar kepada seseorang yang belum kenal sebelumnya. Ini adalah bentuk bagaimana cara kita memperkenalkan dengan formal introduction. And then introduction myself, kita bisa menggunakan informal introduction. Hello, I am blah blah blah, nice to meet you. Hey, I am nice to meet you. Excuse me, I am blah blah blah. What is your name? Hey, what's your name? Respond. Hey, I am blah blah blah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Hello, I am nice to meet you. I am blah blah blah. Or hello, I am blah blah blah. Or my name is blah blah blah. Informal introduction is used when you introduce yourself to someone at about the same age with you. Informal introduction is used in a formal situation, yaitu digunakan untuk memperkenalkan diri sendiri kepada orang sebaya dengan kita dalam situasi yang resmi. Ini adalah ungkapan bagaimana cara kita memperkenalkan diri dengan bentuk informal introduction. And then introduction another people means memperkenalkan orang lain. Dalam memperkenalkan orang lain, kita dapat menggunakan kata-kata berikut. This is blah blah blah. Name your friend. Disebutkan nama yang diperkenalkan. Setelah itu, jelaskan informasi mengenai orang tersebut. Misalnya, usianya, atau umurnya, orang tua, dan lain-lain. For example, he is a friend of mine. He is a friend of my brother. She is my cousin. And then introducing another. Formal. Good morning. May I introduce our guest here? His name is blah blah blah. Mr. Ronnie, this is Tony. My friend is office. My friend in this office. I like to introduce to Mr. Sandy. Dewi, let me introduce to you. Blah blah blah. Shiva, may I introduce to you. Blah blah blah. Mr. Alec, allow me introduce you to Miss blah blah blah. Responnya, how do you do, Mr. or Mrs. yang kita temui? Nice to meet you. Senang ketemu dengan Anda. My name is, disebutkan langsung namanya Ronnie. My name is Ronnie. Responnya. And then perkenalan orang lain dapat menggunakan informal form. Situasi tidak resmi. Informal. Example. Let me introduce my friend. Her name is Anna. Anna, this is Chris, my friend here. Rini, this is Adi. Eddie and Topan. Oh, blah blah blah, Dewi, I'd like to meet blah blah blah. By the way, do you know its order? Or do you know Baskoro? Have you met Baskoro? This is a friend of mine, Renata. Baskoro, this is Arena, my friend. May introduce our new member, Mr. Rafael Romero. Please allow me to introduce our new district manager. Respond. Hello, Anna. Good to meet you. Hello, Oki. I am Bara. Glad to meet you. How do you do? Nice to meet or see you. No, I don't think so. No, I haven't. Or he, glad to meet you. I am Renata. Hello, Renata. Pleased to meet you. I am glad to know. Nice to meet you. How do you do? How do you do? It's very nice to meet you. Ini adalah ungkapan bagaimana cara kita memperkenalkan orang lain ya dengan menggunakan situasi informal atau situasi yang tidak resmi. For example, another people. John, this is Paul. His friend of mine. B. Hey Paul, nice to meet you. Paul, nice to meet you too, John. And then Deborah, this is Sally. She is my cousin. Okay. Hey Sally, pleased to meet you. Sally, pleased to meet you too. Nah, ini adalah contoh bagaimana cara kita memperkenalkan orang lain. Okay, I will give you example of self-introduction. Good morning, friend. I am going to introduce myself. My name is Riana Rahman, and you call me Riana. I was born in Denpasar, Bali on September 28th and 1998. My hobbies are reading books and traveling. Thank you all. Thanks for your attention lah. Itu adalah ungkapan bagaimana cara kita memperkenalkan diri kepada orang lain. Ini bisa kita gunakan untuk latihan di rumah. Silakan kalian pelajari materi yang sudah saya ajarkan. Silakan kalian praktekkan di rumah bagaimana cara membuat self-introduction. Oke, thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.